Are you looking for a material-specific application tab? We have a performance shark line tabs. Let me tell you a bit more about Yellow Shark, our specialist in structural steel, plain carbon steel and low alloy steels threading. Process security is the key point during the tapping. Yellow Shark has a special edge treatment to increase the strength and reduce the chance of microchipping on the cutting edges. All our shark tabs are manufactured from a unique powder metallurgy tool steel with a cobalt content. This is a perfect combination of toughness and edge strength, allowing the tabs to perform at higher cutting speeds. Main features and benefits of Yellow Sharks are titanium aluminum nitride top coating with an additional edge treatment. Flute geometry of the tab E412 is a spiral flute angle 48 degree, allows the smooth and fast chipping evacuation, make it suitable for threading deep line holes up to 3 times deep. The increased thread relief also enables higher cutting speeds in high strength steels. Special cutting geometry with a constant rake angle along the flute length leads to better control of cutting properties and prevents nest formation of chips. Back taper allows chip evacuation, reducing chipping on the last threads of the tabs and also reducing torque when the tab reverses. Tapping tip: when using tab 48 degree spiral flute Yellow Shark, it's recommended to use a tool holder with a minimal float or soft start.